Hey guys, big day today. We're setting up our 10-pound power tank. Inside the box, we've got the power tank, accessory bag, regulator cover, 30-foot air hose, detailed instructions, and a tire inflator. Now, I might just need to swap this sticker for a red one. I also picked up the power tank JLU sports bar mount. I went with the driver's side, but they also have an option for the passenger side. Inside the box is the mount, link to instructions, and all necessary hardware. So let's head over to the shop and get this installed on the Jeep. The first thing we need to do is set everything out. The hardware that comes with the kit includes one Sheely brace, 6 button head bolts, 2 plastic spacers, 2 M8 button head bolts, 6 3/8" flange nuts, 6 3/8" washers, and 2 M8 washers. You also get a longer screw with a spacer if you've got a 24 or newer Jeep for the Sheely brace. Now let's take the mount off our power tank and set it up on the sports bar mount. Using the 3/8" button head bolt and washer, thread the 2 center mounting bolts. Then hand tighten them to the bracket using the flange nuts. Continue mounting the other bolts, but skip the one on the bottom right where the Sheely brace will mount for now. Okay, now we're ready to mount the Sheely brace in the final mounting hole using the 3/8" button head bolt and washer. Grab a 7/32 Allen wrench and tighten all of the bolts except for the one with the Sheely brace. Now let's jump to the back of our Jeep and remove the plastic trim piece where our bracket will mount. Find the 2 screws in the lower plastic molding and remove the bottom screw. Set this screw aside as you'll use it in the Sheely brace later. Now grab your plastic spacers and set them over your upper mounting holes. You can tape these in place to make sure they stay centered. I'm using black electrical tape. With the spacers centered and secured, we can mount the bracket using the 2 M8 bolts and washers. Hand tighten and then remove your tape. Now grab the screw you removed earlier and secure the Sheely brace. Once tight, we can tighten down the final mounting. Using a 5mm Allen wrench, 2-finger tighten the bracket to the sports bar. Now we need to remove the rubber gasket from the bottom of the bracket. Set your power tank in the bracket, ensuring that the boot lip sits above the lower cradle of the mount. Now secure the strap and make sure it's tight. And that's it! Our power tank is mounted and ready for the trails. As always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.